Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really cool video for you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I got this super slick ponytail, and these are the products that I used. I used my denim brush, of course, a ball bristle brush. This is my edge control that I used, red one, and my favorite eco styler gel, some rat tail combs, my edge toothbrush, a couple of hair bubbles, and some bobby pins. So I started off with previously stretched hair. I did a braid out on my hair just to make it easier for myself to, handle my hair. So now I'm just perfecting the parting that I made. It's easier to make the parting before you start styling your hair, so you make it easier for yourself. Now I'm just sectioning my hair in 4 different sections, 2 in the front, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. So as you see now, I'm brushing the section in the back first before I apply some gel to my edges, just to help slick it down a bit whilst I'm doing that with my ball bristle brush. And then I'm going to tie it down. Doing this in sections is basically going to make it so much easier for myself. So now I move on to the middle section. With the middle section, I didn't apply any gel to it because that one is going to be completely covered. I just brushed it with both brushes to get it as smooth as possible without gel. And then I took the hair bubble out of the bottom section and then I bunched those two together. So then now I'm moving on to the smaller section in the front, and in the front I use extra gel to get it extra smooth, and I brushed quite a bit as well. So I brushed first, then I applied the gel, then I brush again with both brushes, and then I apply some more gel if I need to, and then I just smooth it all together and remove the ponytail from the back section and put them all together and let them become one. And then I move on to the next section, which is the bigger one. So with this one, as you can see, because it's really very much in the front, this one is the section that's basically gonna make or break your style. So I put quite a bit of gel all around the perimeter of the section, and then I brush it through again and I apply gel as I go. Apply as much gel as you need to throughout the whole section, just to make it easier for your hair to slick down and stay in place. So when done brushing again, I gathered them all together and place a ponytail around the base. So this is basically what my hair looks like right now with just the gel. I applied a little bit extra, brushed a little bit more as well, and then I go ahead and add my edge control. So that's about the amount of edge control that I used for that section. And then I go over it with my hair toothbrush or my edge toothbrush just to smooth and slick it down some extra. So if you want to, you can leave it like this from now and just apply a headscarf. I asked my friend to put a braid in my hair because I couldn't do it myself. If you have that kind of help, you can ask someone to do it for you, just to make it easier for you to insert the bundles in your hair. This is how I secured the bundle to my braided ponytail, which was with the bobby pins basically. I just attached the bobby pin to the weft and then insert the bobby pin into the braid, downwards or upwards, whichever way is easier for you, and then you just start wrapping the weft from the bottom to the top of your ponytail. It was a bit hard for me to show you guys, and you will see that there were some moments that I was out of frame, but you basically just wrap as close as possible to each other to get a full ponytail that mimics your desired fullness that you want, and then you just keep going until you get to the base. I call the shots, like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what So I kind of like missed the clip that showed you guys what I did at the end with the ponytail, like what I did to the base. So this is what it looks like. I just took a little piece of hair and wrapped it around the top, so, and bobby pinned it down. So then yeah, that's what I ended up with. So this is my hair in the end, and I was super duper excited about it, as you can see. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Share with all your friends, and do not forget to put your post notifications on. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.